6 months ago, I turned 40.
Yay!
So I have noticed that I've gotten these fine lines around my eyes and my upper cheekbones.
Which
and
I like, by the way. I think they're very cool, you know?
My laugh line.
Yeah, I love that.
My
It means
lifelines.
you have a happy life.
I think that is true sometimes, but in my case, I was really sad about it.
Right.
I have a 15-year-old daughter. She's almost 15, and she is a diva child. She is going on 45, I think. She is a makeup lover, a hair lover, and she's like, I've got it for you, Mom. Take a half a teaspoon of coffee. Finely ground coffee is the best. I find organic works nicer because somebody along the way told me organic is better.
There's a lot of chemicals in coffee.
Yes,
It's better
a lot of GMOs and whatnot.
To keep it as
then
clean as you can.
Coconut oil, I like organic as well. Extra virgin coconut oil.
So then you're just going to combine those two
So what I
things
do is
together?
this. I take another half a teaspoon, approximately, of the coconut oil. This is fun, but Rachel always says,
Use your hands.
utensils in the kitchen. And with the warmth of my fingers, I'm going to break down
You mush them together.
the coconut oil.
And then you put this on your fine lines, and what
forgot to
happens?
take my
It tightens
glasses
them up.
off.
You want me to
Here,
take it for
baby.
you?
Sorry. Thank you.
Here we go. We got you covered, girl.
So, with the warmth of my hands, it's breaking down into like this nice little
Paste, yeah.
pasty, coarse exfoliant.
Right.
So then you take it on your face, and I have a mirror here, but
You can't see because you got no glasses on.
that's true too. Because with being
Age,
40,
yeah,
there you go.
Parasites.
so you just gently put it on
Oh,
your
you
face.
put on your whole face.
My whole face, down my
Wow.
nose, and
And the
you rub-
caffeine, what is that's tightening it up, right?
It's the it rejuvenates your skin. It like plumps it up, taking away those fine lines.
And the grounds exfoliate.
Will exfoliate,
Cool.
where the coconut oil is going to moisturize and leave your skin so soft and give you that like fresh glow that you have when you're typically
You
pregnant.
smell good too.
But I'm not pregnant. Yeah, it smells like you want a liquor, and it
That's
smells good.
awesome.
It's like coffee.
It
Smells
does.
great, baby. There's your
Okay,
towel.
thanks.